Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the dog and equipment. Make sure the collar sits comfortably with 2 fingers clearance and contacts flat. Once done, power on and select the lowest setting. You want awareness, not pain. Make sure to attach a leash and hold high-value treats. Begin in a calm indoor area and use 5 10-minute trials so the dog learns without fatigue. You'll pair the small stimulus with a cue and immediate reward to teach the association. You proceed by pairing a consistent verbal cue and hand signal with the collar's lowest stimulus. Once the device is triggered, deliver a treat within 1 to 2 seconds so the dog links cause and consequence. If the dog fails to respond after 2 to 3 gentle prompts, you may raise intensity slightly, then revert immediately once the dog complies. Make sure to keep repetitions to 3 to 5 per short session, and always follow each correct response with praise and a treat, reinforcing the desired behavior. You finish training by ending on a successful response and immediately rewarding the dog with play or treats. This ensures the last memory is positive. Make sure to check the collar fit and battery before each session. If you notice stress signs like excessive panting, pinned ears, or avoidance, stop and return to reward-only shaping for a day. One key troubleshooting tip: if inconsistent responses persist, inspect contacts and reposition the collar. Inconsistent contact causes unpredictable cues and confusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.